Let's take a look at the I Want It All option for our Paper Pad Club. This month you're getting a special treat. If you're subscribed to the I Want It All option, you will be getting this super cute stamp set in your package. This is the Critter Cafe add-on stamp set. It features this cute little barista hedgehog, a fox in a sweater, a couple of falling leaves, and some really cute sentiments. Falling leaves and lattes, please. Sending cozy vibes your way. Perk up, it's fall, y'all. Made with love and caffeine. So cute to go along with your stamp of the month. So your stamp of the month is Critter Cafe. And I absolutely love this little tree stump. It's like a little drive-through for the critters, and I love it. So cute. It's a little sign dangling down. And there's your barista serving up some hot coffee. We've got the bear holding a cup of coffee, an acorn, a leaf. I love this little sign here. Today's brew, acorn spice latte. How cute is that? Beautiful autumn days. Leaves are falling. Coffee is calling. I love that sentiment. Get some more fall leaves. A little fox with his arm out like he's ready to take that coffee. He would be really cute stamped next to the sign like he's putting the sign out, or really cute with this barista like he's grabbing the coffee from him. There's a cute little rabbit with a large cup of coffee, and then we have another barista bringing out some coffee and cupcakes. Cute little raccoon. So the stamps go really, really nicely with our paper pads and coordinating ephemera. So for the Paper Pad Club, there's options. You could sign up for just the 2 paper pads, or you could opt in for coordinating ephemera. So you'll get 1 pack of ephemera, or opt in for the stamp set, or opt in for all. When you choose all, it's called I Want It All. You'll see that in the drop-down menu. This month special, if you do pick the I Want It All option, you're getting a bonus stamp set. This is while supplies last, and it's only for September. Let's take a look at the 2 paper pads. So let's take a look at this one first. This is the But First Coffee paper pad. There's 24 designs, 6x6 sheets. You get 2 of each design in this pack. Gorgeous. I love this. Nice alternative to a solid. This one I love. It looks like you're mixing in your cream in the coffee. Nice images with coffee cups, latte art. I love this linen look. Nice alternative to a solid. Here's a nice solid in this caramel color. Love that. Here's some coffee beans with some floral. Very pretty. Nice coffee bean print. You do get 2 pages here that have images. You can cut these out and create your own ephemera. Very, very pretty images. If you didn't want to use the images, you can always use the back. Really pretty with that pop of green mixed in there. Larger coffee beans. Here's another one that looks like cream mixed into the coffee. Nice buttercup color. Really pretty wood grain. Kind of looks like a coffee table that you'd find at a coffee shop. Pretty cups. This one has tiny, tiny cups on it. Gorgeous. Love this paper pad. So that was But First Coffee. For your other paper pad, you're getting bonus sentiments on the back. So this is an extra page, so you're actually getting 25 pages in this paper pad. You can trim these out with a die or cut them out with your trimmer and use these as sentiments or focal points on your card We've got coffee time, books and coffee, but first coffee, coffee time, a cup of coffee in the morning, coffee break, coffee gets me started, Jesus keeps me going. Coffee is always the answer, and everything is better with coffee. So this is Boho Autumn, and this paper pad is gorgeous, guys. Love the florals in here and the prints and just the style of this. Like, how pretty is that? I love that. I love the colors in here and those big, bold florals. Nice, cozy sweater. I love these stripes. That's so pretty, the feathers. Ooh, I love that gray color. Some tiny leaves. So pretty. Love that color. I think the gray in here is really pretty. So pretty. Great job, Teresa. I love this paper pad. And then this Boho Woodland Coffee Critters goes beautifully with the Boho Autumn paper pad. So we've got our little critters with cups of coffee, and their cups have little flowers on them. So cute. So I'm going to lay this all out. You get some trees that you can use in the background of your scenes. There's some beautiful flowers. We've got some mushrooms in here. And all kinds of critters with little cups. So you can have them drinking tea or coffee, whatever you want. Doesn't have to be coffee. And then there's different sizes in here. So we've got smaller ones and larger ones. So depending on your projects, there's these two facing opposite ways.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Crafting joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair.
Okay, there's our cute ephemera pieces.
Spots are limited for this club. I have a wait list in the description box for you. If you want to sign up for the wait list, you'll be notified when the carts open September 1st at 9 a.m. If you're on the wait list, you'll get the link early. When you join the Paper Pad Club I Want It All option, in September, you'll get a bonus stamp. It's while supplies last and spots are limited. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching.
Story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper